Okay, I don't know if you guys are into like holistic medicine, but let me put you onto something. I have the worst allergies, like the worst. A few weeks ago, I was waking up every single morning. I would use an entire box of tissues in a day, and I'm not exaggerating at all. Until I started using this, and I don't have allergy symptoms anymore. It is 3 ounces of raw honey, 1 tablespoon of turmeric, 2 tablespoons of raw apple cider vinegar, a pinch of black pepper, and a tablespoon of lemon zest. You can either take a tablespoon in the morning or take a teaspoon up to 3 times a day. I do a teaspoon in the morning and then a teaspoon in the evening. I'm telling you, this shit is amazing. And it builds up in your system, so like the more often you take it, like it just gets better and better with your allergy symptoms. Go try it, I'm not kidding.